So, hey fellas, again welcome to AR Tech, and today we'll be starting a free course on our channel of C programming. And yes guys, actually my phone is rotating, but it will be a free, no cost needed, and also it will be like available to everyone. And yes, I'll be giving notes with each and every video that will be coming in front. Yes guys, with they will be like PDFs or documents, MS or documents. As you can see that it's the C course for free by AR Tech. And guys, let's roll the intro. So guys, now today's video, before learning C, we'll understand what's a program. Guys, nowadays we are hearing it a lot, what's a program. Guys, the language we talk in, computer can't understand that language. Like the languages Hindi, English or many other languages in which we talk, the computer can't understand that language. Yes guys, computer understand only the binary digits 0 and 1. Yes guys, this thing, the binary digits 0 and 1, just remember this, that these are very important in C. Yes guys, the true and false and the binary digits 0 and 1 are very important in C. And now what are the programming languages? Guys, the programming languages, the languages in which we give computer instructions. Guys, at the first I told you what's the program. Now the language in which we write a program is a set of instructions that we give to the computer. Like in our real life, we give, like if we tell like come here, go there to someone. Now when it will come here, he will come, and when it will go there, he will go. But computer, we can't write like come here, go there. We need to write a program in its language. Now many of you would be having a doubt that how does computer understands the programming languages, because they are also not written in 0 and 1, they are also written in English alphabets. Yes, now why are they written in English alphabets? Means how are they converted? Actually, this, after writing a program, a process is held in which they are converted back into 0 and 1. Guys, as you are seeing in the screen that the slide has gone, and now it's what is C. Yes guys, what is C? C is a programming language invented by Dennis Ritchie. I think he did it in his university project or something, because I have heard it from anyone. From anywhere not, I heard it from many places, many persons. Yes guys, many persons. Yes guys, and yes guys, a warning that this, not a warning guys, it's literally, this tutorial is really basics of C. Even kids from 10 years can watch this. Not 10 years, yes, 8 plus can watch this full tutorial and understand this, because it is going to be very basic. And these guys, C is the lowest level language, and despite of being this much old, it will never leave the top 10 list. Yes guys, it is among the top 10 languages nowadays. Not nowadays, it was before also. And yes guys, C was very important in the development of Unix OS, which you know in the modern as Linux. Yes guys, Unix OS was only upgraded to the Linux. And as you know that C is a compiling language. It is not an interpreting language, it is a compiling language, and it is very old language. So that time much of the programming languages are using ASCII value for identifying the characters in that program. in spite of Unicode system that's used nowadays in Java and other languages. C is a very powerful language, assure you that C is a very powerful language and the fastest language, and very fast language, not the fastest, it's very fast language. And what I was trying to tell you is that in a short full sentence, that a computer can't run without C programming. Yes guys, because C is a very, means what I will tell, it's is the building block of a OS. Every OS, even Windows, is written in C. Means not full, much of it. Now, guys, it was the first language that was accepted by the whole world. Yes. Means you'd be telling that why I accepted the whole world, because there were many other languages. Yes, guys, the assembly language, BCPL language, and the other languages were very hard and very hard to learn. Yes. So now here we come, what C in phone. Yes. Now, actually I have a problem that I don't have any computer, I don't have any laptop. Then how will I do the course? Guys, as you can see that it's this is the largest example of what is happening. The screen is rotating. As you can see that I'm in phone. Yes guys, I'm presenting also in phone. I will be using softwares like CXX Droid or Mobile C or Replit website you can use. If you are in laptop also, it is a very nice website because it contains a inbuilt terminal. Yes guys, you can give commands like gcc this dot slash this file name, and like that you can give commands and run the C program. It will give you a real life experience. And guys, nowadays there are many tutorials for installing C in computer. So guys, well, despite I am doing in mobile, I know that, but then also it's I'll be telling you everything that's important in C. Even in computer is done like that only. Just I don't need to install C or any IDE like VS Code or any other IDE. I just need to do what is that, I'll install the IDE from Play Store and run it. Yes guys, first I'll be using the IDE Mobile C. I know that it's a little unstable. And then also I'll be using the IDE Mobile C. Now they're going all the terminals and all. Yes guys, yes, I guarantee you guys, I guarantee you that this course is going to, you are going to enjoy the course a lot. I assure you, guarantee, like 100%, you are going to enjoy the course a lot, especially the kids of 14 years. Guys, now we are in our IDE. So guys, as you are seeing in the screen that now I am in my IDE and I will be naming the file like Tuto1, I think Tuto, no Tuto. Yes guys, I'll be naming it like Tuto1. Oops, my headphones moving. My was like going to fall. Yes guys, I'll be naming it Tuto1. And yes guys, just forget that you are seeing the ad below. Guys, this is the keyboard of the, what I'll tell, of the IDE. It's not a mobile's keyboard. So I'll be clicking that button, that two arrows for extending the keyboard. That in phone I think you do like same, or the 1 2 3 button that you do. That instead of that you just do that, and a long keyboard will appear with every button. What am I doing guys? So now I am writing here include, hashtag include stdio.h. Guys, now I'll be telling you after in our forthcoming videos that what will be the, what are these, that hashtag include stdio.h. Now I'll be writing here int main. Guys, I think from the next video I'll be zooming the characters a bit because I think we'll be having a problem to see, because it's landscape video. I think computer will be able to see, but in phone will be having problem. leave it, guys. So I've written here int main, I've given here 0, and I'll be writing here int main return 0, guys. I'll tell you everything in detail after that, in our forthcoming videos. But for today's video we will be focused on writing our first program and some basic functions. Guys, our first program will be our hello world program, like HELLO the space WORLD, and that's that exclamation mark. So that will be our first program. Now what this printf function do, guys? These all are functions. Printf function, scanf function, everything are function. Guys, return is also a function. It returns something, but and that I'll be telling you later because there's no need of it now. So what this printf function does, this printf function actually displays something on your screen. Like for here I have written hello world. It will display that on your screen, and now I am removing the return statement as I have written here void instead of int. So why is it showing in red? I don't know, but what's the problem? I am writing void spelling is correct. First it's in blue, then again it's coming red. But guys, let's run and see it, what error it gives. It needs to be like must return int. So guys, this compiler doesn't accept the void type in our main function. Yes guys, the main, I was telling you that what's main. Main is a function. What's a function? That's the advanced topic that I'll be telling you afterwards, means after videos. So this is our printf function. Now I'm writing here return 0, and here like I have did it before, that's all. So here I have written 0. Guys, clap for yourselves like I am clapping here. Yes guys, I'm clapping. Yes guys, I was clapping. I will clap. Yes guys, I am clapping. We have successfully written our first program in C programming language. Yes guys, this is our first achievement we made. I was very excited when I wrote my first program. Now what are all your expressions? Just give it in the comment box below. Yes guys, so now we jumped into our main compiler that will be using, I think, for the full or half of the course. That's the CXX droid. As you can see that here are the terminal interpreters. I think I just switched to terminal right now. Yes guys, just before that I have switched to terminal, and what you saw now was the interpreter. I don't know what's the work of interpreter in C and C++, but then also leave it. I'll be showing you because they are compiling languages, not interpreting languages. What I'll be doing is now that I'll be opening my file, and in internal storage here C course and tuto1.c. Yes guys, I open my file, then I'll be closing the new that was created. Guys, don't be confused with the things that were written in the just avoid it for now. I'll be telling everything one by one. Just avoid those things what were written in the starting. That int main args and something were written. As here it's displaying hello world, and guys, I have used void, as you know what I was trying to do right there in that compiler or IDE. Yes guys, let me tell you that what's IDE. IDE's full form is that integrated development environment. IDE was, yes, you can write C in your notepad. Just you have to install the compiler. You can write C in your notepad. You can run it. But what's the advantage of an IDE? The work of an IDE is to, like, what an IDE does is that it highlights the syntax. As you can see that it has highlighted the void, it has highlighted the include statements, it has highlighted every string. Yes guys, the comments also is turning them to gray. And like double slash, this is known as single line comment, and I'll be telling about multi-line comment in my next videos. Yes guys, don't hurry, never hurry in C. Just understand. If you don't understand the video, repeat the video, see it from the starting. Or if you don't understand the programming part, just repeat the video. Yes guys, now I will be writing here. Now I will be doing something that, guys, I will be doing something from which I was excited. Means I just crossed every limits of excitement when I did this first time. Yes guys, I'll be taking a user input and displaying it on the screen. Guys, here I have declared a variable int. Now what's this variable? I'll be telling you in the next video. Just for now, understand that variable is something in which you can store. Now what is int? Int is integer. Guys, if you have done in mathematics, I think you have done that introductory algebra or that simple equations chapters, like that only, algebra or equations. In the equations, I think you know that variables are there. They are very important part of algebraic expressions. Yes guys, these are that variables only. They can store any value you want to store in a single variable. If you want to store 6, then it will be 6. Then if you type some more program, and in that if you need that variable, you can change the value of that variable from 6 to 7 to 8 to 100 to 112. Anything you can change the variable to. And integer, it will, int is the integer, it will store any integer value in the variable. So guys, here I have written enter a number, I have written scanf %d. Yes guys, oops, it's a add, just leave it. Okay, now here we are. So I will give you it's not back, I have given frontless slash n, it will be backslash n. I don't know what's the meaning of front. Backslash n means it will just jump to next line instead of the single line, but I don't think that's the need of backslash n in this, because I never like a scanf statement in my next line. Actually, I don't like it. I don't know your choice. What you do, you can do in a print statement. Yes guys, just include the backslash n also in the double quotes. And the scanf I have written here, I will tell you just that a little bit later. For now, I'll be just writing like %d. Yes guys, oh error, what's the error? Oh, semicolon. Yes, that's a very important thing guys, the semicolon. The semicolon is a very important thing guys, never forget it, because if you don't put a semicolon in each and every line, you have to put a semicolon in each and every line, because in declaring a variable also, as you could see just right now, what I have done, remove the semicolon from the variable, and what happened, I have written your enter number is %d and %. So guys, as I told that never remove a semicolon. Now I'll be telling you about what's this %d, this comma a, what's these. So let's jump into a little advanced, that what are these. Is here I have switched to pen, and here you can see that %d refers to the int data type. Now data type are something like, as I have told you, that int variables can only store integer types, integer variables like minus 1000245, like that only, and plus positive and negative integers. And this d points out the integer. D is helping in pointing out the integer variables. Like here also you can see I've written percentage %d, but here I've written a and there I have written ampersand a. Now why I have written ampersand a? I have written ampersand a in there because ampersand a is needed to, actually you need the ampersand a to, means what I'll tell, like storing, yes, storing the variable, and simply a is for printing the variable, means printing or selecting the variable. So printing the bar. This a is for printing and ampersand a is for storing. Why we use ampersand a? Ampersand a actually refers to the memory address of the a. And yes guys, C is only used for this purpose because it directly dives into your computer memory, your internal memory, your RAM, your ROM, your hard disk. If C is like, it's the lowest level language, you can access to everything with the help of it. Now ampersand A is for storing, means selecting or storing the variable, and simply if you write A by giving comma after percentage %d, you don't need to write it after percentage %d, you just need to write it at the end of the sentence, and you have to maintain the sequence. I'll be telling you about the sequence in the next videos, and no need to worry about this. I'll be telling you more perfectly in our forthcoming videos. Guys, let's make it like it was before. int main return 0, yeah, nice guys. So let's enjoy the videos. And yes guys, if you seriously want and seriously concerned about learning C, then you are at the right place. No, yeah, you are at the right place. Actually I wanted to tell is that if you are seriously learning the basics of C, and if you are a beginning programmer, then this course is for you, perfectly for you. This course is actually what this course is for is that you learning the basics of C, and if I can, I'll be going to the pointers and all advanced stuff, because I myself have a little confusion in pointers, but I'm getting cleared in just few days. I'll be getting cleared, but pointers are going to be very late because I'll be making many videos. And yes guys, this is going to be a very interesting, very exciting course, because I'll be including projects, exercises, quizzes, and everything I'll be giving to you, and the answers will be posting in the comment section down below. Yes guys, I think in our forthcoming videos, I think in each and every video I'll be giving quizzes, quizzes that I'll be, no, not quizzes, exercises. Not in every videos. After completing a full concept related to each other, I'll be giving you a exercise. And if you're seriously concerned, what I was doing that time, if you're seriously concerned about learning C, then just save the playlist or bookmark the playlist if you are watching in computer, and save the playlist in, I think you can access the playlist, yeah, I remembered it, you can access the playlist in the library if you save it. And they are like the best, they are the best language, they are going to be the best course for our what, yes, yeah, you can learn from like 8 plus. This course is actually, I am on the 13, I am 13 and I am making this course, so it's going to be really interesting guys, the best course ever. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, and goodbye.